Hello everyone, welcome to the second day of Asia 2024 and today we are here at the stall of ABB India for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Electrical Mirror, sir. So sir, firstly congratulations for completing 100 years in MCB. So can you please highlight some specifications of MCB segment of ABB India as you are celebrating 100 years of it?
Let me give you some insights about why we are celebrating first of all. 100 years is a great event for us. Let me give you some history as well looking at it. The first thing is ABB in fact started working on this particular project. It was done by Hugo Stotz. This was in the year 1924. And Hugo Stotz started this company and moved from a fuse protection to a fuseless protection. And that was the start of the invention of MCBs. After that, Brown Boveri as a company took over Stotz. And later on, during the course of the evolution of ABB, ASIA merged with Brown Boveri. And that's where the start of ABB had this MCB in their kitty. So it's been 100 years now. And when you look at the segment of the market, this particular MCB goes into any kind of buildings, whether it's residential, commercial, any applications, you name it, it is there. But at this point of time, as we evolve, people just don't look at an MCB as a protection device. They also look at it as a device which can communicate. So that's the evolution which has taken place. As we move towards digitalization, the evolution is so fast. People would like to understand what exactly is happening in an MCB, what is the protection it's offering, what's the current readings, how do we really monitor it over a period of time. So that's the real evolution of MCB now.
Can you please tell us more about the recent launches of ABB India and what kind of products you are showcasing over here at Asia 2024 and how it is different from the Asia 2022?
Of course, as we evolve over years, 2022 was a different year. In fact, that was the year where COVID it's just a post-COVID era. And we moved out of COVID and it was a kind of a small scale event at this point of time. But now, after 2022, now it's almost 2 years now and we are participating in Asia. The market has also evolved over a period of time. The voltages required in the local market has evolved. Why is this happening? Because energy transition is happening. People are moving away from the normal fossil fuels to renewable kind of segment. So, as we move towards that, renewable requires a different kinds of voltage application. And this particular application, naturally you need to design products which are suitable for those applications. So that is what you could see here. The other thing what is different from what we did last time is that, as I said, digitalization is something which is on the trend. That's the market trend required. People would like to sit at their places, monitor what is happening in their system or in the plant or in a building. So that is what is digitalization all about. But when we talk about it, we also have to be on the ground implementing those technologies to the people. So when our customers ask for support, we have also provided them something known as ABB Ability. What you can see in the stall are connected devices. As I said in the earlier question, what you were talking about, MCBs is also connected. So now don't you think so ACBs are to be connected? For sure they are to be connected. So it's complete from the upstream to the downstream, you need to have connected devices. And that's what we have displayed in this particular stall today.
So as you have mentioned that market is evolving over the years. So, sir, how Make in India initiative is adding the fuel to this segment, according to you?
Absolutely. I think that's a great question and all of us are fans of Make in India. Make in India is evolving in all kinds of, I would say, segments of the market. It's not just the services side of it, it is also the manufacturing sides of it, right? So as you evolve into Make in India, ABB as a large global company is also trying to invest more in India. We have a factory which is just about 15 kilometers away from here, where we are trying to invest more and more to Make in India kind of a localization. So the technology may be from Europe, the technology may be from any part of the world, but at the end of the day, we would like to manufacture these products in India. And that's what we have been trying to do. Localization is one of the key initiatives what ABB India is focusing. And we will continue to do that since customer want to have products locally available, and it is also very important for us to deliver to the customer on time. And that's where Make in India is a great picture, and we are really fans of Make in India at this point of time.
Do you want to convey any special message to your customers? As we can see, lots of customers are visiting your stall at Asia 2024.
Absolutely. I think they can continue to visit us for sure. We will be there for tomorrow as well. I think the message is that as we evolve over a period of time, the market needs different applications. And ABB is being such a large player. We are in the world for almost now 140 years. So our presence in the world is about 140 years, and that's a strength. That means we continue to invest, we continue to develop new products, we invest in R&D, we invest in localization, we invest in manufacturing facilities, we invest in logistics. So on the whole, I think customers can come here, look at the latest technologies, adapt those technologies. I think that's very important. And for us, we believe in being very agile. And that means that we need to be adaptive to the changing market environment. And that's what we will continue to do so. So customers are welcome, and they can continue to come here and look at the latest technologies and implement those technologies. And we are there to help them provide the solutions for their problems.